Welcome to SOS Electronic. Today we will introduce 3 easy steps how to get custom laser marking for Euroclamp terminal blocks. Euroclamp, one of our main terminal block suppliers, offers laser marking. This solution provides permanently readable markings and can quickly be implemented for various applications even in demanding conditions. Getting laser-marked terminal blocks straight from production is easier than you might expect. It can be done in 3 simple steps. Firstly, choose your terminal block type. Euroclamp manufactures a wide range of terminal blocks and terminals directly in their factory in Italy. This means no customs and a quick delivery for EU customers. Secondly, select the terminal block color. The manufacturer offers terminal blocks in various colors, so you are not limited to traditional green. Choose the color that best suits your application or design. Thirdly, specify the marking on the terminal block. For simple markings like numbers, letters, or standard characters, simply provide your exact requirements in writing. For more complex marking, submit a drawing and request a sample. Based on your requirements, the manufacturer will prepare a drawing for your approval, where you can confirm details like font type and size and other requested parameters. After final approval of the design, price quote and delivery date, we will arrange the order for laser-marked terminal blocks. If the requested product is in stock, the process happens very quickly. Why choose laser marking? It is long-lasting and resistant to wear, chemicals and UV exposure. It minimizes wiring errors, especially in complex applications. It saves time and costs, as there are no manual labels and no extra marking is needed. It provides perfect customization, custom numbers, symbols and labels for maximum efficiency. It simplifies logistics and storage, and provides clean, professional look for your product. If you're interested in laser marking for plug-in terminal blocks and screw connection terminal blocks for PCB or cable, DIN rail or panel feed-through blocks, or even accessories for terminal blocks exactly to your needs, feel free to contact us anytime. We will be happy to help you arrange this service directly with the manufacturer. For more information, visit us at soselectronic.com.